In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find coordinates on Google Maps. Knowing the exact latitude and longitude of a place can be really useful. You might need it to share a precise location with a friend, add a custom marker in a GPS device, or use it in a form that asks for coordinates instead of an address. In this walkthrough, I'll show you a simple way to get those coordinates directly from Google Maps on your computer. Start by opening your web browser and going to the Google Maps website. Give it a moment to load and make sure you're looking at the area where you want to find the coordinates. You can type an address, a city name, or even a landmark into the search bar at the top and press enter. Google Maps will zoom in to that location. Once the map has centered on the general area, you can zoom in or out using the plus and minus buttons on the bottom right, or by scrolling with your mouse. Take a moment to position the map so that the exact spot you're interested in is clearly visible. The more accurately you position the map, the more precise your coordinates will be. Now, to find the coordinates of a specific point, move your mouse pointer over that exact location on the map. When you're ready, right-click on it. A small menu will pop up next to your cursor. In that menu, look for the line that shows a pair of numbers, usually separated by a comma. These numbers are the latitude and longitude of that spot. If you click on those numbers in the menu, Google Maps will automatically copy them to your clipboard and also show them in the search bar at the top of the page. From here, you can paste the coordinates into a document, a message, or another app. They will usually appear in decimal format, something like 37.4219, minus 122.0840. The first number is latitude, which tells you how far north or south the location is, and the second number is longitude, which tells you how far east or west it is. If you want to double-check that your coordinates are correct, paste them back into the search bar on Google Maps and press enter. The map should jump right back to the same spot. If it doesn't, try zooming in more and repeating the right click on the exact point you need. And that's all there is to it. You've just learned how to quickly and accurately find coordinates on Google Maps using your browser